Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. Safari can't open the page because your iPhone is not connected to internet, even though my iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, how to resolve this, guys? For that, guys, go to settings, open the Wi-Fi which you have already connected. Just click on the eye icon. Once you click on the icon, you can see forget this network, auto join, low data mode, etc. Right? Click on forget this network. It will give you a pop-up that iPhone should forget this particular Wi-Fi network. Just click on forget. Now the iPhone has forgotten it. Once you have forgotten this network, now try to restart the iPhone. Okay. So once you click on restart, it will ask you, are you sure you want to restart your iPhone? Now click on restart. Now click on the particular Wi-Fi which you connected previously, which was not allowing you to connect. Click on that particular Wi-Fi. Now enter the password for that particular Wi-Fi. Now see the Wi-Fi will be connected. As you can see on the top side, this here, you can see the Wi-Fi symbol. Now let's go back to the Safari and let's try to connect to google.com. Now try to launch Safari, same try to put google.com. The internet issue is resolved. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.